Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about conferences. So if you are searching about the conference and quick publication conferences, so in the month of November and December these four conferences will be held, and your paper publication dates are in the month of September and month of October. So if you are a researcher and still you are searching this type of the conferences, this is the best video to all of you. So in this video we will discuss about four types of international conference. So first category of the international conference is FPS 2020. So the 13th International Symposium on Foundation and Practice of Security. So conference date is 1, 2 and 3rd December. Publication at Springer now. So due to this pandemic situation, these all type the conferences will be published or will be held online. So this is a golden opportunity to publish your manuscript and research paper through or web conferencing. And the important dates to publish and to submit your research paper in this type of the conference, you can see here October 1st 2020. So by 1st of October you can submit your research paper. We are having sufficient time to submit our research paper, and if you want to know about this conference in detail, so read out this section carefully. And if you are ready to submit your research paper, now submission lines are open. So you can see here link on paper submission, so just click on this particular link, so it will be redirected to the submission page. So this is how you can submit your research paper. Now if you want to know more about the call for papers and the titles, so just click on the call for papers. So here you will get the information regarding the call for papers. So what types of the things or we should follow, and what are the types of the topics that we covered by this particular conference. So here you will get the information related to the topics and titles. So you can see here these are the topics, are all the topics are given here, like access control language, blockchain, code reserve. So explore this section very carefully, because in this section you will have the information regarding topics, and so have the information regarding the publication. So all the research paper will get published by the Springer. So this is a really very good platform to publish your research paper. So Springer is a very renowned platform across the globe. So this is a golden opportunity to publish your research paper. All the deadlines are given here. So October 1st you can submit your research paper, and the conference date is 1st to 3rd December 2020. So really very good time to submit your research paper. Now paper submission. So this is also having the submission guidelines, what types of the guideline and how we will prepare our research paper or manuscript. So all the things are given here. So explore this link. So just click on this link, so it will be redirected to the submission page, and also this link will provide the guidelines, so how we will prepare our manuscript or research paper for the conference. Submission of website. So here you will get the link to directly submitting of your research paper. Now most important thing about the registration, so it will be uploaded soon. Present your research paper online virtually. So this is really very good opportunity to publish your research paper with the Springer journal. Next category of the conference name is 11th International Conference on Innovation in Bio-Inspired Computing and Application. So the date of the conference December 16-18 2020, and it is organized by the Machine Intelligence Research Lab. So really this is a good platform to publish your research paper and article and quickly publication journal. And the theme of this journal and this conference you can see here. And most important thing about this conference, so this conference will be held online. So no need to go there. आप घर से अपना research paper publish कर सकते हैं through the online mode. Now about the information of this journal. So welcome part, call for paper. So this is really very important to know about the publication. So this conference publish all the journals, all the papers and manuscript indexed by the Thomson DBLP. So really very reputed conference, and Also, a special issue is also called, so your research paper will get published in the Scopus category journal also. And the theme and topics covered by the journal you can see here. So bio-inspired computing, so these are the topics: ant colony system, artificial immune system, artificial intelligence, artificial neural network, cellular automation. So like this type of the paper and research areas can be accepted in this particular title. Emerging technology and application: biomedicine, bioinformatics, business intelligence. So if your research area comes under this type of the topics and areas, so really wonderful opportunity to publish your research paper. And also the conferences. Now what types of the journals? So here you will get the journal special issue. So if your researcher really very good and having the original content, so really will have the great opportunity like the publication with the SCI index journals and also the Scopus category index journal, and like this type of that. So really very good opportunity to publish your research paper in the quick way. Now call for a special session submission. So using this submission tab, you will be able to submit your research paper in this particular conference. So and how we will prepare our research paper, all the things are given here. So explore this section very carefully to prepare your research paper and also to submit your research paper. So this is EasyChair conference link to submit your research paper. Now about text, if you want to know if you are having any kind of the issue, then you can directly mail to the this particular mail ID. So here you will get the information and all the solution regarding your query. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Next conference name, virtual conference name is 4th International Conference on Electronics, Communication and Aerospace Technology. So short form of this conference, ICECA 2020, and this conference will be held on the 5 to 7th November 2020. And you can see here this conference Scopus Index Conference. Really very good opportunity to publish your research paper in the Scopus Index journal, and this conference also having the IEEE conference. So really very good, wonderful opportunity to publish your research paper. About the conference, just explore this section very carefully. Here you will get the information about the conference detail. Now next category of this type of the particular conference and regarding the information and details. So if you want to submit your research paper, just click on the submission. So here you will get the mail ID, and you can also submit directly or through the mail also. So if you want to submit or upload your paper directly, so just use this click here link, and either you can submit your research paper through this particular mail. So all the things are given here. And one more important thing about this journal, how we will prepare. So the template of research paper will be the IEEE format, as we already aware and are also familiar with this type of the policies, and IEEE plagiarism policy. So click on this particular links, you will have the plagiarism like the 10%, 20%. So all the things are given here. So here you will get also all the type of the plagiarism categories and information. Now about the publication, so just click on the publication. So all the research paper and manuscript will be published with the Scopus and IEEE Explorer. So really very great opportunity to publish your research paper and in this quick publication conference. Now the venue, so the venue is this, and so really very good opportunity to publish your research paper through the online. So if you are having any kind of the issue, just use this contact, so you will be able to have the answer regarding your query. Next category of the conference is the IEEE conference, and the conference title name is the 2020 IEEE International Symposium. So really very great opportunity to publish your research paper with the IEEE, and the titles and topics: sustainable energy, signal processing and cyber security. So IEEE ISSC 2020, and the date of the conference 16 and 17 2020 December. So this conference will be held on the particular under the IEEE section, Kolkata, and due to the pandemic situation, you will be able to present your research paper through the online mode. So really very good opportunity to publish your research paper and present your research paper in the IEEE and through the online. So really very great opportunity, no need to go there. And the public title and all the timing of this particular conference 16 and 17 December. So now what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal? So explore this site very carefully. Here we will get all the details, so about and call for paper. So just click on the call for paper. So you will have the detailed information about the topics and titles. So you can see here these types of the tracks covered by this particular conference. Like first category or first track is renewable and sustainable energy. So under this particular track, following topics will be covered, like these: renewable energy and technology for microgrid, like these type of the topics. Second track or title is signal processing and application. So under this track you will be able to present your research paper in the following topics. And the third category of the track, cyber security and communication, CSC. So under these types of the tracks you will be able to publish your or present your research paper in this type of the topic, like machine learning, big data analytics and smart grid, like this type of the topics and titles covered by this particular IEEE conference. So grab this opportunity to publish your research paper. And the speakers, if you and the partners, if you want to know more, so explore these details and registration. So click on the registration part. So here you will get the about the information about the registration detail, but about the fees. Like, so you can see if you are a IEEE member, so then you have to pay 3,500 rupee. If you are not IEEE member, so you have to pay 4,500 rupee. So these are the all the details. If you are as a student or academician and industrial, so it's up to the different category of registration. So explore this category, and as per your the category, register yourself for this particular quick publication your research paper and manuscript in this particular fourth international conference. So in this video we have already discussed four different types of the virtual conference, online conference, and really very helpful to all of you to publish your research paper and research article in the quickly manner. So by November and December your research paper will get the published through the conference mode. So really very helpful to publish your research paper. So friends, thank you for watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो सपोर्टिव लगा, आपके रिसर्च में कुछ सपोर्ट किया, डू लाइक and also hit on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed right now. So and also help your friends by sharing this video and this channel. So show your love by subscribing this channel and also like this video. Thank you.